Hey, what's going on, guys? Just wanted to tell you about a product that I've recently picked up. It kind of has a funny name actually. It's called Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I don't know if you guys have heard about this before, but oh my god, I just have to tell you. The smell is amazing. I love the way that this smells. I can smell it right now. Like, I wish it came in a perfume because it smells so good. It's just like, it smells like, I don't know how to describe it. It smells like a delicious vacation. That's what it smells like. Like, you could definitely smell the coconut in it. And it just smells so delicious. Basically, well, what it's for is it's for like smoothing and tightening. So I guess for cellulite too, if you have like any cellulite areas, especially like in like your like underneath your butt, I guess I would say, and like parts of your thighs. That's I guess where most people are the most prone to cellulite. And for ladies that have had babies, I'm sure like it's more prevalent after you have a baby, stretch marks, stuff like that. This is infused with all-powerful guarana extract, and the ingredients and it's like a bunch of different things in it. I think that the ingredient that is most prevalent would be that guarana extract, which is supposed to be very, very powerful. It also has coconut oil. It is literally like the smoothest feeling lotion in the whole world. Janeiro, it's a fast absorbing body cream, helps tighten and smooth like no other. And I like the little slogan, love it, flaunt it, you've got it. I think that's cute. And I think the name Bum Bum Cream, it just cracks me up. I think that kind of sticks out a lot compared to like other things on the market. It's just kind of cute. So, you open it up. So it's kind of like a beige off-white color, more beige though. Literally the smoothest cream ever. Now, so I just like scooped a little bit out so you guys can see the consistency. It literally feels like butter. Oh my goodness. So smooth, so good. I'm going to rub it in now. And the smell actually like lasts. It's not one of those like scents that kind of just come off and that you just don't smell after a while. It actually stays with you. Like I put it on and like my husband's like, oh, you smell really good. Like it doesn't smell like your normal perfume. I'm like, oh, it's this. I'm like, it's the Bum Bum Cream, which of course is hilarious. Like it's like, what is that? And I'm like, it's the best thing ever. So I just like rubbed it in my skin. My skin feels so smooth and moisturized. I typically wouldn't use it like on my hands. I just got the mini size just to like try it out. My friend actually, she put this on her Instagram story and the name just cracked me up and I was like, what is that? And then she's like, it's the best stuff ever. I'm like, all right. She's like, you got to try it out. It tightens your skin, smooths out the cellulite. It's just really great stuff. And so the mini size was, I think it's 8.2, the mini size. 8.2 ounces. Oh, I'm sorry, 0.84. 0.84 it's the mini size. Yeah, I just got that to, you know, the small one to kind of see how I would like it and stuff, and I love it. So I'll definitely be ordering a larger size. It doesn't come in a box or with a seal or anything like that. I did have it shipped to me and it was totally flawless. Like, wasn't damaged at all. It just had like a little white sealant, you know, like those white sealants that will be like on the top and you can just easily peel it right off. And I guess that's just to stop it from getting on the lid and stuff like that, which this happened after, not during shipping, so don't worry about that. Just overall really amazing products, amazing consistency, scents. I love the fact that it has coconut oil in it. I love anything coconut. Coconut oil is so good for your skin, and I'm all about trying to hydrate and protect my skin now that I'm approaching my I'm in my late 20s, approaching 30, so I really try to just take care of my skin the way that I didn't in life because I didn't realize how important it was. So fast absorbing body cream. I mean, you could use it all over the place, just concentrate on places where you have cellulite and you really want to tighten up. I think you're gonna love it. Great. And it's portable, great for like putting in your purse or just if you need to travel or whatever the case is. I hope you guys try out the Janeiro Bum Bum Cream, Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. with all-powerful guarana extracts, and I hope you guys love it. Thanks for watching, guys.